Well, hey everybody, welcome to this short tutorial on a great and really cool app that I've been using for the last 6 months or so called Clickto. Clickto is a very simple, lightweight, easy to use application that you can download onto your Windows or Mac PC, and just allows you to select and right click on just about any kind of text, and then allows you to either search that text with Google or whatever search engine you choose. You can translate it, you can share it, or you can just simply, with a click of a mouse, drop it into one of any application that you can set and the customizable menus. So I have Click2 set to come up and be ready to use when I put my cursor above the top of any screen. I use three screens on my in my workstation. So if I put my cursor at the top of any screen, the menu comes up, and you can set the duration for how long it stays up to between 3 and infinite number of seconds. So let's say I wanted to take the text on this page here, or this is an image actually, and if I just wanted to copy it, and then I wanted to put it into Word in order to manipulate it, I just simply put my right click, copy. It brings up Microsoft Word, which is opening on another screen here. I can put that image into Word, manipulate it however I want. I'll bring it on screen here. It's just a bunch of HTML that's behind the image, and then manipulate it however I want. And I could do that with a PDF. I could do that with pretty much any application that I have set as a one-click call here in Click2. So that's just one of the many applications. I'll run you through some other, for instances. I do a lot of sharing of articles and data. I'm in real estate, so I share a lot of data with my clients and those who are on my social media sphere. Um, and so it's real easy for me to do that. I found an article yesterday on how to find financial footing for young adults. So I have a lot of first-time buyers that I work with. So this is something I'd like to share with them in my social media sphere. So I just simply highlight the URL at the top. Again, right-click, copy. I want to share this on multiple social media networks, so I use a applet called Hootsuite, which allows me to share on multiple social media networks just with one go instead of having to go to each. So I've selected Twitter, my own Facebook homepage, my personal Facebook homepage, and LinkedIn, and there's many others that you can add here. I want to shrink the URL here, which is built into Hootsuite, so I can add a little text as well. There we go. It shortened it now. And then I can just simply add a little blurb. Great article on saving money for young adults. Now I did just post this yesterday, so I'm not going to post it again. So I would just hit auto schedule, and off it would go, and it would be scheduled to be released on all those social media networks at some time later in the day, whenever Hootsuite thought it was best to do that. I also use Skype a lot. I have Skype out, so I can call phone numbers pretty much anywhere in the world. So this is one of the houses I have coming on market here. If I wanted to make a phone call to any phone number that's written in a document or a web page anywhere, I use Skype a lot, so I can just copy, click on the Skype icon. As soon as I hit copy, it brings up Skype and it starts dialing. That's my number, so I don't want to call myself. Um, uh, Tons of other features to the app. If you go to the options here, I'll bring them up and bring this over on screen. So you can select pretty much any application you want Click2 to call up. I think if you put too many, it'd be cumbersome. To me, the ones that I have when I put my cursor at the top of the screen are the ones that I use on the most regular basis. But Skype, Google, Facebook, Outlook, Word, Evernote is an application that I use quite a bit to take notes, save notes. Google Maps, Explorer, I'm sure you could add Pinterest to this, Wikipedia. There's no end here, and you can actually add your own as well. Very, very easy to use. You can change the appearance. I have large icons. They can be tiny, small, medium, large, or huge. You can set the duration of displaying those satellite images and where they actually, so if you put your mouse to the right side and where it shows up underneath your cursor. Lots of options on how to best use it. And then there's a bunch of advanced settings for those that want to kind of peek in behind how it actually works. You can change the open settings path. There's all kinds of things that you can do. So very powerful, but at the same time very simple and intuitive for the novice user to set up. Um, what else should we show you? Yeah, you can. One of the things that I use quite a bit is for things that I want to read later. I can just simply copy, add it to Evernote. It calls up Evernote, creates a new note for me. And there we go. It just took all of that text and created a new note for me, which I don't want, so I just deleted it. I've already shown you the Skype feature, which is one that I use quite a bit because I use Skype out. If you're looking to search on classic center hall design by Minto, you just simply hit copy. You do search with Google. It puts that search term in there and then simply looks for anything that applies to that search term. So again, as you can see, the options are pretty much endless. You can translate items with Google Translate I have set here. You can search for items on YouTube or post them on YouTube. Post things on Twitter, your blog sites. I use Paint quite a bit when I modify images that I find on the web. If I want to highlight some text and create an email, I just click on the Outlook icon and I can send that text as an email and then add to it. So real friendly and easy to use. So if you want to download the app, just go down to www.click2app.com, click2app.com, and download it. It's free, very easy to use for your PC or your Mac machine. And this is Grant at homeswithgrant.com. I hope you've liked this tutorial and I hope you make use of this great tool. If you have any questions, just drop me a line. And if you have any real estate needs in the Ottawa area, I'd be happy to help you out. Again, this is Grant with homeswithgrant.com. Have a great day.